ito eh.
Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, according to the records of the department is still waiting for ACT Region 11 to submit the list of its officials, which be part and included in the proposed CNA.
Officials po ba? I would like to reiterate,
Yes, the updated list of officials of ACT, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you po kasi ang kala ko inahanap ninyo yung listahan ng mga miyembro ng ACT. So that is pinuna natin yan na that is a violation of the right to organization of an individual.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, what they are waiting is the list of the officials of ACT because they form part of the party where the negotiation.
Construction and repair, rehabilitation, replacement. Meron kasi tayong kapapasa na batas, Mr. Speaker. Alam ko, isa ang DepEd na dapat na mag-implement. Yung National Academy of Sports. So, meron bang nakalaang budget para dun sa National Academy of Sports? At saka yung isang batas din na inaipasa po natin, yung inclusive education. I mean, yung mga SPED area na gusto nating tayuan ng mga inclusive learning resource centers. May nababasa ako dito, 16 inclusive learning resources. Saan po ito, Mr. Speaker? Anong mga lugar po itong 16?
Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, on the question of may nakalaan ba tayong proposal for school
National Academy of Sports.
We have a proposal of 195,167,000 for 2024.
Okay, thank you po kung merong nakalaang budget. Anyway, yung sinasabi pong 16 inclusive learning resource centers, ibigay na lang po sa akin yung report, Mr. Speaker, in the interest of time.
Yes, we will comply,
Okay.
Mr. Speaker.
Yung iba ko pa pong topic, Mr. Speaker, on the reiteration po ng mga complaints ng mga union repression or union paglabag doon sa karapatan ng ating mga teachers for union. So ni-raise ko na po ito sa Civil Service Commission at very positive po ang tugon ng Civil Service Commission Chair Chief Carlo Nograles. So ito po Region 6, hindi pa raw sila binibigyan ng DepEd Central ng authority to negotiate with the union. Region 7, walang sagot ang management at busy daw sila. 3 years itong nakabinbin. Region 11, nag-i-impose ng additional requirements ang DepEd para mag-proceed ng negotiation. This is second CNA na ng Region 11. So binanggit ko na rin ito nung briefing, Mr. Speaker. Meron bang tayong update kaugnay nito, Mr. Speaker?
Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, the department's stand on the CNA is that the department is willing to negotiate with for the CNA. And for the regions being mentioned, for Region 6 and 7, the status now is the department is waiting for the request to negotiate and the proposed CNA.
Yes, for Region 6 and 7. How about itong Region 11?
For the Region 11,
Mr. Speaker, na 3 taon na nakabinbin yung CNA negotiation nila, na renegotiation na lang naman ito eh.
Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, according to the records of the department is still waiting for ACT Region 11 to submit the list of its officials, which be part and included in the proposed CNA.
Officials po ba? I would like to reiterate,
Yes, the updated list of officials of ACT, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you po kasi ang kala ko inahanap ninyo yung listahan ng mga miyembro ng ACT. So that is pinuna natin yan na that is a violation of the right to organization of an individual.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, what they are waiting is the list of the officials of ACT because they form part of the party where for the negotiation.
Thank you, distinguished sponsor. Meron po rin tayong ni-raise yung service credit ng mga teachers natin. I know merong memo ang DepEd na hindi na lang linilimitahan sa 15 days. Pero i-monitor nyo na lang po yung pag-implement on the ground. At may request din po sana ako na sana ay i-monetize. Bigyan ng karapatan naman yung mga teachers natin na just like the education support personnel, they can monetize the service credits at saka yung PVP. So ni-raise ko rin po ito sa civil service at si Chief Nograles po as sinasabi niya ay makikipag-usap siya sa DepEd. So tumawag na po ba ang ating chief ng CSC?
Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, the department will study the said proposal and the discussion. There is already an ongoing discussion on the matter.
Pati po yung yung rules natin on overtime pay.
We take note of that, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you po. Kasi ang mga teachers, nag-demand sila ng overtime pay during the pandemic. Hindi ito pinansin nung last administration. Hopefully, mapansin ito ng civil service in coordination with the Department of Education, Mr. Speaker.
It's being studied already, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor.
Okay. Next po, yung Teacher Effectiveness and Competencies Enhancement Project. Yung TECEP. World Bank project ito na may 120 million US dollars total project cost. Last year, sinubukan ding ponduhan ito ng 602.639 million pero hindi ito pumasok sa GAA 2023. Though pumasok ito sa unprogrammed appropriation, yung request for that. So it's now 680 plus million. So ano po yung status po nito, Mr. Speaker?
Sir Speaker, may I request for a few minute suspension?